Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and a stable platform. Charge to at least 50% or plug in, and mount the camera on a tripod so motion won't blur readings. Next, attach the correct lens and set focus distance for your subject size. This reduces spot size errors. Then, enable emissivity and reflected temperature presets for the target material so the camera interprets radiance properly. Once done, position the camera perpendicular to surfaces for most accurate readings. Now you frame the scene and adjust settings before recording. First, center the crosshair on the highest interest area and confirm the spot size fits within the target. If not, move closer or change lens. Next, perform a quick calibration or non-uniformity correction, NUC, if available, to stabilize the sensor response. Adjust emissivity and temperature range as you refine exposure. Finally, capture stills and a short video from multiple angles to verify repeatability and reduce parallax errors. Finish by analyzing images and exporting radiometric data for records. Use the camera's measurement tools to mark max, min, and spot delta temperatures and annotate findings. Then export files with embedded metadata so readings remain auditable. Save a backup copy to external storage. If results look inconsistent, troubleshoot by verifying emissivity settings, confirming distance and spot size, and minimizing reflective surfaces or direct sunlight. If needed, repeat a NUC and remeasure. That single troubleshooting step often resolves most anomalies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.